Hi there, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be working on our flexibility. So let's get started. First, sit comfortably in Sukhasana or whichever way you feel most comfortable with. To practice this, all you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Sit comfortably while keeping the sit bones grounded, legs with your choice, however you feel more comfortable. Keep your hands at the heart center or over the knees and try to breathe mindfully 3 to 5 rounds. Try to align yourself with your breathing pattern. Once you feel centered enough, open your eyes and let's start. First, spread your hands in front of your body. Spread them wide open and enclosed like a feast. Make a generous movement in and around your hands, in your fingers, in your wrist. Now take to the sideways and spread them like you're carrying something. Now it's time to practice some shoulder rolls. Take them from front to the back, 5 to 10 rounds, very mindfully while holding top of your shoulder with your fingers. Do it otherwise from back to front similarly. And from here, take your right hand above your head and with the support of your left hand, take a nice gentle breath to stretch to your side. Similarly, do from the left hand and give a nice stretch to your body. Now, move back and possibly find a wall support. Spread your legs right in front of the body to give a nice stretch to your toes. Spread them towards you, away from you to create a nice momentum in your stretch. Bring the right leg close to your body to give a nice stretch to your ankle, to your foot, and to your entire leg. Do the same from the left side as well. Now spread both the legs wide open to the sides. Stretch your toes, keep them active, take your hands, interlock them, and practice Chakki Sanchalanasana. Try to make big circles, first clockwise and then anti-clockwise. 10 rounds should be good. Do it like you're trying to turn something around your feet. Go as low as possible, or you can be wherever you are comfortable. Remember to breathe and do not compromise on your spine and sit bones. Of course, do it from the other side. Keep your feet active and pointed upwards or towards you. Do not let it hang out of your control. And now, once you are done, it's time to fold your right knee. Bring the toe close to the left thigh. Take the left hand away from your ear and spread to the side. Take right elbow support if you need to. Give a nice deep stretch to left side of your body while keeping the toe very active. Now stretch it towards the toe and give a nice gentle stretch to right side as well without changing the leg stance. Now time to change your leg. Fold the left leg. Bring the left toe close to the right thigh. Similarly, take hands alignment, left hand, left elbow support, right hand away from the body up and give a nice stretch. Remember to breathe and do not cover your heart and enclose yourself in the front. Keep it wide open and of course change the side and try to grab the toe to give a nice stretch to your left side of the body. Take the hands back at the center, fold both the leg, Come away from the wall, come back to the center, and try to practice some gentle Baddha butterfly pose. Bring your toes close to your groin and stretch it out. Very mindful, controlled swaps in both the legs. Now, again, use the wall support if you have and try to give another extra layer of stretch to your butterfly pose. You can skip this pose if you feel uncomfortable. Now, time to fold forward while being in the Baddha Konasana. It's an incredible way of creating a lot of good stretch and mobility to your sit bones and to your thighs, hips, in fact, the whole leg. Have a good balance with your hands in the floor and sit upright again. From here, sit gently in Malasana. Use any yoga prop or bolster to support your hips in case this Malasana feels tight or hard for yourself. Choose the modification and keep the hands at the heart center, keep the spine straight, do not round your chest, and keep hands above the head to keep your chest open and breathe thoroughly. Take left hand on the left toe and give a nice stretch to the right side. Change your side to other side and give a nice good stretch. Breathe here. Hands back to heart center. And now we will be practicing 90 to 90 hip rotation. Stretch it nicely. Give nice pulses to your right side of the hip. And then gently change to the right side to practice it from the left. Try to keep your heart open, chest in a neutral position. Keep practicing. And one final stretch to right to left and back to Malasana. Now you will feel more lightness in your Malasana after this hip rotation. Stay here for up to 10 breaths or less. And then back to taking one leg above the other while feet and knee touching each other. Practice this from the right side first. This will help you in creating a very nice stretch to your hips. Now from the left side, left knee to left side, pressing towards the ground while touching the right feet. Keep the spine straight and continue breathing. Once you feel ready, back to Baddha Konasana. And from here, take the right foot close to your left thigh. This is half lotus pose, half Padmasana. Similarly, you can practice while using the left leg on top of the right thigh. This is also half lotus pose, Ardha Padmasana, but this time you're practicing from the left side. If this entire thing feels more comfortable to you, you can practice the full Padmasana, and in that you take right feet above your left thigh and left above your right thigh. And sit bones stays grounded, spine stays straight. Sit up comfortably, keep your hands at the heart center or over the knees wherever you feel comfortable, and let your body relax completely. And you can be in Padmasana for up to 1 minute. Choose your hand position, whatever is convenient to you. You can also hold the both big toes with your hands. Allow yourself to relax over here completely. Let your body feel relaxed, rejuvenated, and fresh right after this practice. Continue to breathe mindfully, but your usual breathing pattern should follow. Focus on your exhalations. Let your whole body relax. And say thank you to yourself for choosing to show up for yourself and do something nice for your body. Stay there and continue breathing. You can keep your hands in whichever way you want and continue this practice for up to 5 minutes as well if you feel comfortable. And once you feel ready, make some movement in your body and take the good learnings from this practice and allow yourself to practice this again for tomorrow and rub your palm, gather all the energy, and continue with your rest of the day. I hope you had a great practice with me. And if you liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I really hope you practice this more often to have better flexibility. And like I always say, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.